Yes, we are live. Today we're actually going to look at Bitcoin, the crypto market, the stock market, the Forex market, answer some questions. I hope you guys are getting ready for 2020. Okay? You guys need to step up your game. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben, and I am a professional trader. I trade Monday through Friday, and I teach people how to do the same because I trade from home. Okay, I only look at the charts, and I specialize in making money now, guys. All right, making money now, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Definitely going to answer some questions. So let's get to it. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the settings, speed up the replay by hitting 1.5 or 2. And of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. If you're watching that replay, go check out my new course that I have out for you guys, Trading with the Smart Money. We're going to talk more about that later on. So let's look at the market real quick. Let me make sure that I am live. And okay, so it looks like I'm live. And also, let me make sure everything is good on my end. All right, so overall, guys, if you have any questions, you can type it in. But overall, guys, listen, you need to step up your game. Okay, you need to step up your game, guys. All right, 2020 is coming real soon. Literally, like what, 3 weeks, 3 more weeks. You need to step up your game. Most of you guys are not playing the same games the rich guys are playing. Okay, you need to follow the rich. You need to follow the rich. Okay. When I was little, actually not little, but when I think I would say around a teenager. I would say 19. Around 19, I was obsessed with the rich. Okay. But at the same time, I didn't know what these guys were doing. So me personally, I was just I'm so glad the internet is here. I did a lot of research. I bumped into a couple of guys that taught me, about the stock market. So I was blessed in that, in that. But overall, we have to take advantage of this information that we have in front of us, guys. All right. Most of you guys think that times are always going to be, good, and you're always going to have it good like this. Not, no, guys, listen, it's not always going to be good. So that's why you have to take advantage of things now, right? Let's see what we have here on the charts. I guess we can actually talk about Bitcoin first. Actually, let me talk about the other markets first, and then we can go to the crypto market. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Let me see if I can get that going here. And guys, let me know if you can hear me, because sometimes, when I go live, man, this live stream definitely be playing a lot of games. So let me make sure that you guys can hear me. Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Okay, so overall, guys, let's look at the stock market real quick. All right. Actually, let's look at the Forex before. Let me see if anything with the Forex real quick, and then I'm gonna go to you guys questions. Shout out to the guys that took some trades on that pound. Hold on, guys. Hold on for a second. The pound had a nice little trade right here. Nice little breakout. Shout out to the people that took this trade right here. I know one of my students took this trade. Lovely trade. And let's look at the USD. But this was just we was bouncing, and you could just tell that they wanted to at least go up. And most likely it will probably continue to go up, maybe back to these highs right here. It's a possibility. We'll see, though. We'll see. Let me see here. USD. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me make sure that everything is good. All right, so some people said that they can hear me loud and clear. Shout out to Jesus, Businessman, TJ Digital, Mike, Sean. Shout out to you guys. Portia. Who else? J Biz. What's going on, bros? Guys, so if you guys have any questions, type it in. The USD, basically, we having a nice little bounce right here. It looks like it wants to go a little higher because it tried to go down a couple of times. So it looks like we're having some type of double bottom right here. So it's a possibility we can actually go up some more. I thought we was going to, you know, it's definitely holding some support right here. So it's a strong possibility it probably will pop up. Okay, maybe go back to these highs right here. But overall, at first, it was definitely looking like it probably wanted to test the lows. But right now, since buyers is coming in, it's a strong possibility. But what I would do with this, I would just wait to see if, how it looks. But overall, it looks like it's trying to make some new highs. Let's look at the gold. Let's look at gold real quick. Now, gold, like I said before, gold is in this pullback mode, and it most likely is going to break this eventually, right? And when it breaks this, honestly, I don't think this break is going to work because it's going to be too obvious. Okay, so this break is probably going to be a fail break, and most likely we're going to continue to go back down. Now, just because it's going back down doesn't mean that it's going to go all the way back down. It just means that most likely they're going to trap a lot of traders right here, but it's still in this pullback range. So I don't really see anything right now with that. Silver, what's going on with that? And shout out to all my subscribers. Good to see you guys. Silver, same thing, is in that pullback stage. So really nothing's going on the bullish side. Not on the bullish side. I don't see anything yet on the bullish side. Most likely it can definitely have another pullback. Another down move, and eventually it's most likely it's going to pop up. But even if it pops up, I don't think it's going to be that pop that's going to create a new high. I think it's going to be a fake out. But we'll see. All right. What else? All right. So let's go to the stock market real quick. Let me see if I see anything in the chat room. J-Biz said, what's up with Amazon? Yeah, I'm going to definitely get to that. The charts. Yeah. You said nothing's moving that much? Yeah, no one wants to buy the high. I feel you, bro. Let me look at the stock market real quick. S&P. Let's look at the ES. Same thing. So overall, what we have here is the market is just going straight up, and it's very slow. The VIX is getting lower. And I think it's very hard to tell what the market wants to do. It looks like I'm surprised the market didn't sell off. This month because of profit taken or just that last little sell. But we still have a couple more weeks left, so we can still get some more selling going on. So it's a possibility they probably want to sell some more. But, I wouldn't be surprised if they try to bring this bad boy up because these guys do not want to lose, okay? These guys, they don't want to lose, all right? They just want to keep going up and push this market up. So it is what it is. Let me go to these cryptos real quick because I know some of you guys want to see the crypto market. And we are going to answer some questions after this. So right now, guys, Bitcoin is it looks like it's setting up to probably make another move to the downside. This bounce right here is looking weak. All right, looking weak. So I probably most likely expect some new lows. And like I said before, guys, I expect 6,000, not even 6,000. I expect probably lower than that. I told you, if you do the measure move from this breakout right here, okay, just measure this whole triangle. You see this big triangle right here, okay? Just measure that from the highs to the lows, okay, and put that measurement, and you probably get around, I forgot the exact number, but I think it's around 55 something. So, or either 55 or yeah, something like that. I don't know, but Bitcoin most likely is going to continue to go back down to the 6,000s, and most likely probably hit the 5,000s. All right, it's just what it is. It's weak, and really nothing's going on right here. Now, when it hits 6,000, around the 6,000 range, it might find support right there. You know, I was thinking that it might find major support. In my head, I'm thinking that, but it might be just a little bounce from there, and then they might just continue to go back down. Okay. You know, this whole move is looking very, very weak, and you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I will answer some questions later on. Let's look at some Ethereum real quick. Ethereum is looking shaky. Looks like it wants to continue to go back down. Litecoin, same thing. Let me see what's going on. Same thing. It's looking shaky. Like I said before, guys, I believe that it's just gonna go down very slow. Okay. XRP. You know, another situation looks like most likely it's probably gonna go down. All right, so let's go to the questions, and we will go from there, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. Make sure that you check out the new course, because I came out with a new course, guys. And the new course is about trading with smart money, okay? Tracking the rich, okay? You have to follow the rich. I'm obsessed with the rich. These guys are rich for a reason, right? So I want to know these guys. I want to know the moves these guys are making, okay? Because if I know their moves, then I'm going to benefit from that. So lately, okay, that's what my trading pretty much is all about, is tracking smart money, right? Tracking the rich. So when I trade, I track smart money, all right? And this is what my new course is all about. Go check it out. Actually, let me give you guys a link real quick. And I'm going to hook you guys up, the subscribers, okay, with a discount until I don't know, January, I guess the end of this year, okay. Now, if you are a day trader student, if you actually have one of my day trading course, okay, you would definitely get a bigger discount. Okay, so if you do have my day trading course, go to my Discord room. You will get that course, and you'll get much bigger discount. But I just give you guys the new link for my new course. It's about tracking the rich. Okay, you do not want to do things based on what everybody else is doing. Okay. 2020 is coming very soon, guys. And and what's going to happen? I know exactly what's going to happen. Okay, you're going to make all these goals, right? And then guess what? Next thing you know, you're going to wake up in 2021 is here. Okay, another year passed, and you're still broke. You're still stuck. You're still whatever. You're still at the same level. Okay. Guys, I can't believe that this year is done. It's over with. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. The year is over. Guys, I mean, the year is over, guys. You know that? That's crazy, right? Let me see if I see any questions here. Jesus said, I made 400% on Matic and took profits before the dump. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Let me give you that ka-ching button if I can find it. Shout out to Jesus making this money. Okay, and Jesus is, you know, a good example. Okay, what you have to do, guys, you have to look at Bitcoin. Let me see something real quick. Let me zoom out real quick. Okay, so that means that if you bought, guys, don't you see what's going on, guys? All right, if you bought Bitcoin, okay, in November 2017, and you bought it at the 7,000 level, and you fast forward now, you know, fast forward to 2019, okay, and we in December. That's 2 years. 2 years, guys. You at break even, and you telling me that's a strategy? You at break even, bro? I don't want to hear nothing. Okay, that's not a strategy. What happened was, okay, I'm gonna tell you what happened. You got caught up in the hype. Your favorite YouTuber told you it's gonna go to 100K. So you took out a mortgage, you took out some loans, you empty out your bank account, and you went all in. Guys, don't you know how much money you can make in 2 years? And you're still stuck at break even? And some of you guys is probably, you know, much lower than break even. You're probably in the red. Guys, listen, follow the rich. The rich guys are not throwing their hard-earned money and throwing all their wealth into one product and hoping and crossing their fingers and saying, man, I hope this works. I hope. Oh man, I hope this works. Guys, they're not doing that. These guys are not doing that. Right? They want to take calculated risk, right? They want to make sure they get some type of return, right? And the way you do that is you have to focus on high income skills that will help you generate money daily, weekly, monthly, okay? Daily, weekly, monthly. Shout out to Jesus making his money. Follow the rich. These rich guys are making money every single day. Let me see if I see more comments. Let me see here. TJ Digital said, what's good, Ben? Good to hear you, man. Shout out to you. Hit those likes button, guys. Hit the like buttons. All right. Shout out to TJ. Let me read these. What's going on, Sean? Let me see. Swim with the whales instead of yeah, man. Shout out to you. Brian, what's going on? Noel was popping. You said before the Fed announcement. J-Biz said he wants to look at Amazon. Let's look at Amazon real quick. The Amazon, I don't know, man. You know, it's looking. You know, it's this is a tough read because you know we definitely have support right here. So we didn't break the support right here. We didn't break the support right here. So, but you know, it is trying to trend down. So, you know, right now it's in a shaky area right now. Okay, but overall, Everything is pretty much oversold. And I don't know exactly what these guys want to do. If they want to continue to push this market up. You have to remember we have the elections next year, right? 2021. So I'm sorry, 2020. So you have to you know, do they really want the market to go down in 2020? I don't know. You know? Let me see here. Let me read some more questions here. The years seem to go by faster. Yeah, the older you get, it's crazy. Honestly, what I'm thinking is the years. I think things are going quicker. It's because all this technology. Okay, we are distracted, and if you know anything about time, like you can control time with your mind. Like you ever was in a class? Let's say that you was in school, right? And you was in a classroom, and you like, man, I can't wait, right? You waiting for the bell to ring, can't wait to get out of the class, okay? Because you're bored, okay? But when you're outside doing something, and you're having fun, time flies by quick. When you having fun, time flies by quick, and that's what I think was going on. We have so many distractions going on. We can look at our emails. We can go on YouTube. We can look at the TV. We have so many things going on, and next thing you know, time is going by so quick. So that's another reason why I believe time is going quick. But yeah, man. I mean, next thing you know, it's going to be 2021. Swaz say, hey, bro, man, you say I love following Rich. Yeah, man, shout out to you, Swaz. Swaz is actually one of my other students. He's doing very, very good, okay? Swing trading, the markets. And like I said before, my new product, guys, is for day traders and swing traders, right? It's a game changer. Someone wants to look at the oil market. Yeah, oil market had a channel break, but it as soon as it broke the channel, it rejected it. So most likely you have to expect new highs, okay? Unless we find resistance right here, but it definitely has enough room to go up, okay? So, but this overall, this doesn't look too bullish unless we get a major break. So if we get a major break, we can go up to maybe back here. Because if you look at this, let me zoom out real quick. We do have a gap somewhere around here. So they can come back to this gap real quick. Okay, that's a strong possibility. But the question is, do they want to come back to the gap first, or do they want to sell off first? All right. Let me see some more questions here. Ben, seems that he says sees the same thing as me. Looks bullish. Nobody wants it. Exactly. Nobody wants it, man. Nobody wants it, bro. Ben, are you trading options still? Right now, I'm not trading options. I'm actually getting ready to get into options in 2020. I want to sell like premium. Okay, so that's what I want to do. I just want to get in, and, just this basically sell premium for now. Okay, trading wise, I'm busy with the futures market. Um, so that's what I'm going to do. But overall, I'm definitely looking get into these credit spreads. What about you, bro? Are you doing the options right now, JBiz? What's up? What's going on, GT? You said what's up? How's silver and gold looking? Yeah, I talked about that already. I talked about gold and silver already. Overall, gold is still looking to, break out. Um, you know, most likely it's looking to break out, but I don't think that breakout is going to last. It's probably going to be a fake breakout just to go back down. Okay. Um, and silver is just, I don't know what silver want to do right now. It's looking confused. Definitely looking confused. But overall, it's in that pullback mode and probably wants to continue to. Hold on, let me pull this up. Most likely it's going to either continue want to go down a little bit more. Okay, but eventually it's going to pop up. Now, when it does pop up, I don't think that it's going to be that pop that brings us all the way back to the top. I think it's going to be a fake out. Let me read some more questions here. Yeah, options and pennies. Okay, so what? So you're doing you trade? Are you trading the penny stocks? And you still trading paper trading? So you trade? Are you trading penny stocks? What's going on with the pennies? Let me continue to read these questions here now. No, right now I'm not doing any long term anything right now. Just building up everything, man. Building up the portfolio. I have silver starting to drop down a bit, then go back. Yeah, so you say you have silver to drop down. Yeah, I mean that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at silver most likely is going to drop back down and then pop up. Okay, and then from there we gotta look at it and see what's going on. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's watching the crypto market. It is what it is. Hit those like buttons, guys. Right now, the crypto market is looking just weak. I know a lot of people are, just losing faith. Um, you know, all I have to tell you guys is, um, you have to make decisions, figure out what you want to do, but in the meantime, while you're waiting for your cryptos to do whatever, you have to learn. Okay, learn about the markets. Learn how the rich guys, is making his money. Because things are going to change. I know for a fact that if you're waiting for that Social Security check, by the time you retire, you might not even have a Social Security check. They trying to cut back on everything. Cut back on they cutting back on food stamps. They cutting back on social security. They're cutting back on a lot of things. So you have to create your own wealth. You can't depend on anybody. And the financial markets is where it's at, in my opinion. Because, in my opinion, the financial markets, it's not going. The financial market is not going anywhere. And the good thing about the financial markets, is you can, if the economy is bad, you can still make money. That's the great thing about, the markets, guys, right? Most of you guys are complaining about your stock going down. You are complaining about your coin is going down. But you don't realize, bro, you can make money both ways. But you don't want to do that because you're following the wrong people. The wrong people that's telling you, hey, man, go all in when it hits a certain level. Let me read some more questions before I get out of here. Falta said, I love trading futures. Futures market is great for leverage. Yes. A leverage could wipe accounts. Yes. For those that don't follow the rich. Yes, exactly. So you have to follow the rich, guys. Futures is great because they definitely give you some good leverage. So you can take a small amount and turn it into a decent amount. All right. But you also have to know what you're doing in practice. And that's what I teach. So you can go check that out on my new course, right? The link is actually, let me post the link once again. Like I said, I'm giving you guys a discount, all your subscribers a discount, all the way until the end of this year. And if you are one of my students, trading students, you get a bigger discount. A bigger discount. Just go to the Discord room. Let me look at some more questions here. Let me see. More questions. I trade OTC pennies. Okay. So shout out to you. You've been killing it with that. What show me a good ticker. All right. He said ALPP. He been killing with MCLAPP. Okay, so I'm guessing you bought somewhere around before it popped. This is a nice little pop though. Okay, if you especially bought it right here at the bottom over here, nice little pop. And what else you said? You said VRS. Nice little pop too. That's what's up. I hope you're taking your profits. You taking your profits, bro? Because we all know, the deal with these pennies. Okay, the penny market is just like just like the crypto market. It pumps and it dumps. Let me see here. I got silver at $15, then at $18. Okay, shout out to you, bro. Social Security is a fraud system. Listen, everything's a fraud, bro. Okay. Why do you need insurance to drive a car? Why do you need a lot of stuff? Everything's a fraud. Everything is a trap. Why do you need to go to school? We don't need to go to school, but they force us to go to school, right? So yeah, man, everything's a trap. But, at the same time, you have to know how to play the games, all right? You know how to navigate through the matrix. And once you know how to navigate through the matrix and no, everything is a game. Okay, you just have to know the rules. Okay, you have to know the rules, guys. You know, if you have guys that's making money every single week, okay, from the markets, and then you have another group that's always complaining and always talking about, why me, okay, you have to figure out, what the guys that's making money, you got to figure out what those guys are doing. And then you copy those guys. Most people just don't think. Like, guys, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. I love copying people. In school, if you copy people, guess what? They punish you, right? They punish you in school if you copy somebody. So if you copy, from someone that's smarter than you, they punish you. They call that cheating, right? They call that cheating. But in the real world, okay, if you copy somebody, that can make you rich. Okay, that can actually make you rich. So you have to know how to play the game. Let me see here. Let me see if I see more. That's a timely course for you to put out, Big Ben. Yeah, man. Shout out to everybody here. Like I said, the new course is about tracking smart money. Okay, the way I trade now is on a it's on a different level. Okay, I'm only looking for smart money to come in. I'm looking for the rich. I'm like I said, I'm obsessed with the big dogs. I'm obsessed with the rich. So I'm looking at the rich guys coming in the market, and I want to buy when they buy. I want to sell when they sell. Okay, because those are the guys that's moving the market. Okay. Let me see here. Let me read some more questions before I get out of here. Copy people in the markets and you get a plus bank account for real, man. If you copy the people, the smart guys in the markets, you definitely get an A plus in your bank account. Let me read. I got my money back sitting on free shares. Okay, shout out to you, bro. Making this money. Shout out to all my crypto guys. Any crypto guys want to talk about any cryptos before I leave? Right now, nothing is going on. It looks like we probably want to sell off some more. Everything's looking weak. Most likely, they're probably going to go for that 6,000 level. They might not do it this year. If they do it this year, it's probably going to be a sneaky move, and it's probably going to be a lot of selling. Probably just going to be a lot of selling. Okay, if they do it this year, but they might not even do it this year. They might just wait. But overall, man, it's a sad situation what we see in the crypto world. These cryptos right now are just looking like they dying. And you're gonna have these guys hype it up, no matter what. If it goes down to 20 cents, they're gonna hype it up. Let me see here. Are you ever buying back into BTC? First of all, I need, BTC. I never went long, long term into the cryptos. Okay, I thought about it, but it wasn't hard to see that this was a pump, okay, and dump. So the way I've been playing cryptos is just basically swing trading it, okay. So it doesn't matter if Bitcoin is going up or down. It doesn't matter to me. Like I don't care about direction, because I can make money on the downside, and I can make money on the upside. I'm definitely not gonna get caught up in the hype. Because it doesn't matter. Like if Bitcoin decides to go up to 30K right now, it doesn't matter. Like I can still make money regardless. Okay? I can play the upside. See, I'm not attached to this. This is the difference between me and most guys. I learned my lesson, long time ago. if you get attached and you get married to anything, it's most likely it's going to break your heart. All right, so I think I'm done for the day. Shout out to everybody that's here. I don't see any more questions here. So what I'm gonna do is basically I never been into BTC. Is it shortable? Yeah, there's a couple of brokers that can short it. A couple of brokers that can short it. Yeah, but like I said before, man, there's other markets out here that's better than the crypto market. There's other markets that's way better than the crypto market. The crypto market is good when it was on the down low. It wasn't really, when it was really, I guess when it wasn't mainstream. Okay, especially in 2017, it was absolutely amazing. But when it went mainstream, like anything else, when it goes mainstream, it calms down like anything else. It's just how it works. But overall, guys, there's a lot of markets: the futures market, the forex market, the stock market. The futures market. I day trade the futures, so there's a lot of other markets out here that you can play. That would give you crazy, gains. So you have to step up your knowledge, step up your game. Okay. Right now, like I said before, the stock market right now is the VIX overall. Let's look at the VIX real quick before I get out of here. The VIX, okay, is last time I checked, it looked like it was going up a little bit, but overall the VIX was at 11 not too long ago, and it was just the market was just slow, man, like really slow. So we popped up to 16 today. So hopefully we can pop up some more. I'm hoping we get some crazy pop. Okay, back to like 25, 30s. January is coming very soon. So hopefully, the market starts to sell off and we get some pops. Because lately the market just overall a lot of stuff has been kind of slow, but still a lot of money to be made. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Alrighty here. Can you check? What is it? USD. So you got out. You got out before it dumped. You said. That's a crazy dump, man. Okay, and that's why this is exactly what I'm talking about. You have to, when you play these coins, you have to play them like, okay, I'm not going to be married to it. I'm just going to get in and make my gains and get out. Yeah, this is a crazy dump right here. Okay, crazy dump. Okay. I hear you, J Biz. That candle, I know, man. That's a crazy dump, bro. Crazy dump. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody. Make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you be safe out here. Make sure you gain knowledge for that 2020, guys. If you have any questions, you can email me. Overall, improve your, just improve in general. Improve your life, improve everything around you. Okay, your health. Okay, everything. Not just money, but everything. Improve your relationships. Everything, guys. Okay, you want to work on the different areas of your life. So, shout out to everybody that's here. Appreciate it. Go check out my new course. Like I said, I'm giving you guys a discount until the end of this year. Here's that link once again. If you're watching that replay, you go to the description, first link below to get that link. Overall, guys, shout out to all my subscribers. I love you guys. Hit that like button before you leave. Hit that like button before you leave. And shout out to everybody that's making this money, man. It's a lot of money, guys. All right, a lot of money out here. The rich guys, these guys have been making a lot of money. without us. Okay, now, okay, we have the ability to make money with them. So let's continue to do this, guys. Talk to you guys later, and please, guys, please have a great day. All right.